Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today's video will be a quick clean day for this one. As you can see, I am pouring the Fabuloso in the sink with hot water. This is what I usually use to mix to mop the floor and actually wipe the counters. I love the smell of Fabuloso, one of my favorites. Here I am putting Comet into the toilet. This is the best way to keep it bright and shiny. I also do pour a little bit of Fabuloso, and then I use the Lysol cleaning bowl. In this video, I did not use the Fabuloso this time, but I just used the two products shown, the Comet and the Lysol bowl cleaner. It's a powered, toilet bowl cleaner. And now I made a homemade cleaning solution with vinegar and soap, which is regular dish soap, and this helps with glass doors on making it shiny, and it gets rid of all of the residue that's on the glass door in the shower. Best solution ever. Now I'm cleaning baby boy's toys. Yes. Now I'm shaking out the rug before I start sweeping, and I also do vacuum these rugs as well right when I'm done cleaning. Yes, I'm moving my baby boy's training toilet, so we're in the process of the training. Yeah, you know how that goes. Now I'm sweeping before, of course, it's the most important thing to do before you start mopping or vacuum. I know some people do vacuum too their floors, but I just prefer sweeping for the bathroom. Oh, this video, I've been excited to actually post a little vlog of my cleaning day, and I have not posted in a while either. I've been going through a transition of bringing life onto earth, so your girl's been busy, and I've also been just plotting on some content that I want to bring to you guys, but we'll talk later. But here I am. Right now I'm just soaking this cleaning towel. I'm going to start cleaning the counters and around the sink. But yes, you'll just see here that I'll just be wiping down the sink around. I'll move the items that's sitting on the countertop, and then I'll just swipe around. I'm just cleaning with hot water and Fabuloso. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. It has the home smelling so good. That's why I love using this cleaning product. Usually I use bleach around the countertops too, just for that extra, bacterial cleanse. But this time around, I'm just keeping it simple and using the Fabuloso. The extra noise in the background, y'all, is my 1-year-old toddler running around and screaming. So if you do hear that, I do apologize, but it's very low, so I know it shouldn't interrupt too much. That is the perks of being a mom now. So yeah, that's new adventures, a new journey for me. So I've been enjoying it. Now this is my method of mopping. I use the towel that I usually cleanse with, but I usually make sure that I clean what I need to first and nothing that's too unsanitary before I use it on the floor. But yes, I'm old school. I do need to get a mop, actually. I'm going to do that this week, but this is my way. Hey, whatever you gotta do, you gotta just make it work. But I feel like when I mop this way, I cleanse the floor really well, and I pick up every little thing that's on the ground. So hey, whatever works. Now I am spraying the shower door with it's like a shower cleaner that I know helps really well with residue. And now I am using a scrubber that I found at Target, and I'm just making sure I scrub the door very well to make sure there's no watermarks and then residue that's still sitting on the door. Now I am rinsing the shower door with warm water, as you can see, just to make sure I get all of the cleaning products off of this glass door. Here I am cleaning the mirror. You know, of course, this is important for my vloggers and influencers. You always need a clean mirror, especially to take pictures and record videos in. I hope you guys are enjoying the cleaning vlog. I will tune in back with you when I'm finished cleaning the bathroom. So I hope you enjoy. Now it's time to clean and wipe down the kitchen. So right now I am washing the dishes I had left over from earlier in the morning. So I'm gonna get those done before I start cleaning the sink out. Down to wiping down the countertops. The Myers cleaning spray is one of my favorite sprays. I love using it for the counters. I usually just spray it, and then I wipe the counters down with like a towel or a cleaning cloth. So either a paper towel or a cleaning cloth, so either one. Yeah, so I'll do this for all around the kitchen and get to cleaning. Now I'm cleaning the sink. I'm spraying the Clorox. It's like Clorox bleach that I'm spraying inside the sink. This is what I use to like to clean usually the sinks with is bleach, just for the extra sanitization. And then I'm cleaning with a stainless steel scrubber. This keeps the sink for stainless steel super shiny. Literally takes away all watermarks, just everything. It just looks brand new and shiny right after I'm done. now I'm going to sweep and mop the floor next. This will be one of my last things that I do besides cleaning the kitchen table. But here I am sweeping, and then I'm going to use a Swifter to actually mop the floor. And I use the Method Squirt and Mop. The one I have is actually for the wood floor that we have in the living room, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use it for the kitchen floor as well. And then I use the spray that comes with the Swifter, so it actually smells really great. I don't always use the Swifter to usually mop the floor. It's only when I want to do a quick mop. You know, it's just a quick, easy way. But usually I use my method that I showed y'all in the restroom with the towel. And I just drag my feet along the kitchen floor. But anyways, but here I am. I'm using the Swifter, and then the products being used is the spray that comes with the Swifter, the mop cleaner, and then I use the Method mop cleaner as well. One of my favorites. I use the same spray on the countertops that I do on the kitchen table. It's just an easy wipe down, and I love the way the product smells. I have a glass kitchen table, so usually I have to use a glass cleaner right after it if there's any extra fingerprints or smudges left on the kitchen table. So this is the way I do it, and what's best for me and my family. So I hope you guys are enjoying the cleaning day video. There will be more days like this that I will be posting. Just more of my lifestyle, wellness, and beauty. So I hope you guys enjoy, and welcome back to the daily life of Shy.